You guys, I have an unboxing and review video for you guys right here. I ordered this off of Simcosplay. It's the Captain Marvel jumpsuit. I have it right here. It's for my wife for Halloween, so she's gonna try it on and all that good stuff, and I'm gonna give you guys my opinion and all that. I did get this pretty quick, you guys. So Simcosplay, you could actually order it. It's from China, but for some reason this was sent from Washington State, and I live in San Diego, California. So for whatever reason, it's shipped from there versus shipping from China. I did get a whole Captain America costume, and I'm gonna link to it down below if you guys want to check that out. But that one actually came from China. It was a whole package and everything. This one came from Washington State for some reason. Not sure why, but it actually got here quicker because of that. It took 9 days to get here. So this costume costs $52 US dollars, and it costs $16.99, $17 for shipping and handling. So let's go ahead, open this up, check it out. My wife's gonna put it on and we're gonna see if we like it or not. We did get her size small, so size small should fit her. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so it does come in this little Ziploc bag right here. I already like the colors. Let's go ahead and pull it out. I do like the texture as well. I'm gonna show you guys a little code just in case this might help you guys out, save some money. So that's the code right here. If you're in 2023, just put 2023, or if you're in 2024 or whatever year you guys are watching this in, that might save you some money right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and roll this out. You guys, it is nice and stretchy. I could already see this is where the zipper is at, and it's nice and seamless. You can see the zipper all the way at the top right here. Let me go ahead and zip it down. Okay, you guys could see the zipper goes all the way down here, and it's nice and seamless. I do like that. The collar is looking cool. These are the sleeves right here. I do like it how it's like cut out for the fingers. So, you know, you're gonna be wearing it right through. This is the full body suit all the way to the hand, you guys. I do like that. Let's bring it down to the feet. So you guys can see that it does go all the way down, so it kind of fits you like a sock. So you could throw a shoe on here if you want to, whatever you guys want to do there. Let me go ahead and turn it around so you guys can see the front of it. Okay, we do have the star right here. So it does not come with the belt. It's just like this belt that's right here that you guys can see in the graphics. It doesn't come with the actual physical belt. But for the price, I do like it. So we're gonna actually have my wife try it on and see how it looks. All right, you guys, this is how the suit is looking like on the wifey. She's already loving it. It looks nice. It fits real tight. This is a small. She is 5'7" and 135 pounds approximately. And I'm telling you, she's loving it. I think it looks great. I mean, it fits perfectly. This is from the Simcosplay website, so we're already liking it. We do a quick close-up for you guys so you guys could actually check out what we got. So you guys can see that the hands, it has the gloves, and it just fits right in there. And you could go all the way down to the sleeves, to the back. Yeah, let's check out the neck area. So this is the zipper, you guys, and it goes all the way down to about right there, right above the tailbone area. So that's how the zipper is looking. You guys can see the back. It's nice and tight on the arms, all that good stuff. Go ahead, turn around again, chiquitita. This is how the front looks. No zipper in the front. It's all one piece. The belt, like I said, it's already the belt's already on. There's no extra belt that goes on top of it, okay? So we're gonna bring it down. Everything's fitting good. You can see all the way to the feet. So it's like it's basically socks. So you could just walk around like that, but the wifey's probably gonna throw some shoes on, you know, that way we're walking around for Halloween. But what do you say, Chita? How do you like it? You like it?
I really like it. I really like it, yes.
You recommend it?
I recommend it, yeah. The quality is really soft, and like if it's true size, I'm gonna say.